Welcome to Choice Champions. The Best Splash Swim Goggles Boys is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any young swimmer, ensuring not only comfort but also clear vision underwater, which is crucial for both safety and enjoyment during swimming lessons or recreational dips, making them a must-have accessory for parents looking to equip their children for aquatic adventures with confidence and ease. Number 5. Aegend 2-Pack Kid Swimming Goggles. These goggles come with 3 interchangeable nose pieces to ensure a perfect fit for any child. Made from soft, safe silicone, they provide a comfortable, waterproof seal to protect eyes from chlorine and prevent raccoon eyes. With wide-view, flat PC lenses, children can see clearly underwater. This helps them explore the underwater world with confidence, making swimming lessons more enjoyable and inspiring. The lenses feature a mirrored coating to reflect sunlight and block UV rays, offering a comfortable experience. An anti-fog coating ensures clear vision by preventing condensation, so kids can see without interruption. Adjusting the straps is simple for both kids and parents. The quick adjust system and strong elastic head strap ensure a secure and comfortable fit on most children's heads. We stand by our product with a 12-month worry-free service. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Each package includes 2 pairs of swimming goggles and 2 protective cases. Everything your child needs for happy and safe swimming adventures. What we like. If your child has a unique nose shape, the 3 interchangeable nose pieces offer a customizable and comfortable fit. The crystal clear lenses provide excellent underwater visibility, perfect for encouraging confidence during swim lessons. If you're looking for a reliable pair that ensures a comfortable, fog-free experience for everyday swimming, this is a great choice. What people say. The anti-fog coating works well, keeping the lenses clear during swimming sessions. The adjustable strap ensures a snug and comfortable fit for different head sizes. The goggles provide excellent peripheral vision, allowing swimmers to see clearly underwater. Number 4. Aegend Kids Swim Goggles. Say goodbye to foggy lenses. These goggles provide a consistently clear view underwater, ensuring your child can focus on having fun and learning without any interruptions. Designed with soft silicone and an adjustable strap, they offer a secure and comfortable fit that prevents leaks and irritation. Your child can easily put them on and take them off independently. Protect your child's eyes from harmful sun rays with reliable UV protection. These are perfect for outdoor swimming, giving you peace of mind. With an easy adjust design and interchangeable nose bridges, they can be adjusted by your child themselves. This ensures a perfect fit for kids aged 3 to 14. Whether it's their first splash or swim team practice, these goggles are the ideal gear for all skill levels. They make a great gift for any young swimmer. Each package comes with 2 pairs of goggles, protective cases, and earplug and nose clip sets for a complete swimming experience. What we like. For parents seeking a versatile option that grows with their child, these goggles are ideal. The permanent anti-fog coating and ultra-soft, leak-proof seal ensure comfort and clear vision during any water activity. If your child participates in various water sports or swims outdoors frequently, the added UV protection makes these a smart and safe selection. What people say. The anti-fog coating works great and lasts a long time. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for different head sizes. The goggles provide excellent visibility underwater with clear lenses. Number 3. Kids Snorkel Set. See the underwater world like never before with our Kids Snorkel Set. The tempered glass lens provides a crystal clear, fog-free view, letting you explore every detail beneath the waves. Crafted with professional-grade, impact-resistant tempered glass, this mask is built to last. It's designed to withstand pressure and protect your child's eyes, ensuring safety during every adventure. With an adjustable elastic strap and a soft silicone skirt, this set offers a comfortable and secure fit for children aged 5 to 10. It molds perfectly to their face for worry-free fun. Our snorkel features an advanced anti-splash system to keep water out, and a purge valve for easy clearing. This means uninterrupted exploration and less hassle for young swimmers. Encourage your child's inner explorer with this fun and safe snorkeling gear. It's perfect for creating wonderful memories and enjoying quality time together in the water. What we like. If your child is an aspiring explorer eager to discover the underwater world, this snorkel set is perfect. The professional-grade tempered glass lens offers superior impact resistance and a clear, wide 180 degrees view. If you're looking for a complete snorkeling package that includes a dry-top snorkel with a purge valve for easy clearing, this set is designed for safe and exciting underwater adventures. What people say. The anti-fog coating works well, preventing the lenses from fogging up during use. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for different head sizes. The goggles provide a clear and unobstructed view of the underwater world. Number 2. Splash Place Kids Swim Goggles. Introducing the Splash Place Kids Swim Goggles, designed for your child's comfort and clear underwater vision. Make every swim session enjoyable and hassle-free. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles. These goggles feature a smart design that prevents the strap from getting knotted, ensuring a quick and easy fit every time. The soft fabric strap provides a snug yet gentle fit around your child's head. It's comfortable for extended wear, so they can focus on having fun in the water. Equipped for crystal clear underwater views, these goggles allow kids to explore the aquatic world with confidence. See every detail without distortion. Perfect for the pool or the beach, these goggles are built to withstand active play. Let your little ones dive into adventure with reliable eye protection. Designed with both parents and children in mind, they are easy to put on and take off. Enjoy worry-free swimming adventures together. What we like. If you're tired of dealing with tangled straps and uncomfortable goggles, this option is for you. The fabric strap provides a comfortable, tangle-free experience, making it easy for kids to put on and take off independently. If comfort and ease of use are your top priorities for casual pool or beach days, these goggles are a fantastic, hassle-free choice. What people say. The anti-fog coating works well, keeping the lenses clear during swimming. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for different head sizes. The goggles provide a wide field of vision, allowing for better awareness in the water. Number 1. Splash Place Kids Swim Goggles. Introducing the Splash Place Kids Swim Goggles, designed for your child's comfort and enjoyment in the water. Make every swim a happy one with these reliable goggles. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles. Our innovative fabric strap ensures a secure and comfortable fit that stays in place, allowing for uninterrupted fun. The soft fabric strap is gentle on delicate skin, preventing irritation during long swimming sessions. It's designed for maximum comfort, so they can focus on playing. Enjoy a clear view of the underwater world. These goggles provide excellent visibility, enhancing their swimming experience and confidence. Built to last through countless splashes and adventures, these goggles are perfect for young swimmers. They are durable, easy to use, and ready for any water activity. Choose Splash Place for quality swim gear that kids love. Give them the best for their aquatic adventures. What we like. For a comfortable and hassle-free swimming experience, consider these goggles. The fabric strap is designed to be tangle-free, ensuring they are easy for kids to manage on their own. If you prioritize a comfortable fit and simple operation for everyday swimming, these are an excellent option for young swimmers. What people say. The wide band design ensures a snug yet comfortable fit around their heads, so there's no irritation or pain around the ears, even after extended wear. They're incredibly comfortable, actually stay on, and best of all, they don't pull or tangle my child's hair, a miracle in itself. The stretchy fabric makes for a great fit and they don't tangle or get stuck in their hair. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.